Until now, we have been executing our code line by line, but what if we want our program to flow in different directions? For that, we need to use conditional statements. So let's talk about conditional statement in this video. The syntax or command to give the computer for a conditional statement is straightforward. We say if this thing holds true and a colon, then execute these lines of code which are indented. Otherwise, just ignore this piece of code and execute the code below. Indentation just means 4 spaces or a tab key on the keyboard. We don't have to worry about pressing the tab key or 4 spaces because the text editor takes care of it for us. However, it's important to understand indentation and its significance in Python. So let me show an example. We will print 1 and 2 using the print function. Then we will print 3, but we will indent it in the if condition. For now, let's just put the condition as true, which means it will always execute. And don't forget to use the colon symbol as it tells Python that a new indented code block will follow. Finally, we will print 4. Now when we run this program, we will see the output 1, 2, 3 and 4. However, if we change the condition from true to false and run the program again, we will only get the output 1, 2 and 4. This is because the line with 3 will not execute when the condition is false. Instead of just saying true and false, we can do something better. We can use comparison operators, which includes smaller than, greater than, smaller than or equals to, greater than or equals to, does not equals to, and double equal, which checks if two values are equals or not. These operators either return true or false, so we can use them in place of true and false. So let's take a variable temp. We stand for temperature and it will have the value 23. And instead of just saying true or false, we can say if temp is greater than 25, print that the climate is hot. Now we will use the else statement and print that the climate is cold when the if condition is not met. When we run this program with a value of 23 for temp, we will see the output, the climate is cold. However, if we change the value of temp to 30, we will get the output, the climate is hot. This is because the else statement is ignored when the if condition is true, and the else condition is executed when the if condition is false. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.